How to install Anaconda Python on Windows 10 or 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to install Anaconda Python and open the Anaconda Navigator to install various other applications. So let's begin by opening your web browser such as Google Chrome and then navigate to the Anaconda website. From there, you can download the software. Type in Anaconda download in the search bar and hit enter. Then click on the first website that appears in the search results. Click on it. By clicking over here, you can download the Anaconda in your device very easily. Once you have downloaded Anaconda, you can proceed to open the file or the folder where it is saved and initiate the installation process. During installation, you will have the option to choose the installation directory and user visible settings too. After completing the installation, you can open the Anaconda Navigator, which provides a graphical user interface for managing your Python packages and environments. It may take some time to initialize for the first time, so please be patient, and once opened, you'll have the access to various options such as Jupyter Lab, notebooks, and more. Congratulations, you have now successfully installed and opened Anaconda Navigator. So this is basically on how can you install the Anaconda Python on Windows 10 or 11. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.